Welcome to the future of naval engineering. It all starts right here with these massive steel hulls.
Lower the section slowly. Watch the clearance on frame 42.
Bring it down, easy now.
Copy that, watching the guide marks.
We have a consistent cut on the lower plate.
Pressure holding steady, keep the flow rate up.
Check the specifications on page 3.
Looks like we have a slight deviation here.
All right, let's review the procedure.
This module here is approximately 10 meters in diameter. The internal ribbing you see provides the necessary structural integrity for the pressure hull.
Keep the grinding steady on section 3. We need a perfect finish.
Levels are nominal. Check the alpha reading on the manifold.
Clear on the left, watch the pressure valves.
Confirmed. Rate of travel steady at 0.05 meters per second. All systems green.
Waveform stable. Reroute power.
This section requires immediate reinforcement.
Ensure the alignment on section 7 is precise before welding. Keep the pace steady.
Hold the lift, center beam. Copy that, holding. Watch the starboard side sparks.
Confirming alignment on sector 7.
Data stream is green. Proceed with the sequence.
Holding steady, nice and slow.
The alignment matches the schematic.
Confirmed. Waveform is stable.
Noted. Pressure test in 10 minutes.
Levels holding steady at 0.03.
Acknowledged. Cross-referencing auxiliary panel now.
Reroute the yellow bypass cable to port 3.
Confirmed. Power levels stabilizing.
Focus on the upper conduit. Adjust your trajectory slightly to the right. Make sure the tolerances are exact.
Applying final torque now. What are the readings on the multimeter?
Pressure is stable at 500 psi. All systems green. Proceed with caution.
Check the primary valve pressure on cylinder 3.
Reading stable at 2000 psi, consistent with the readout.
We have minor venting here. Keep monitoring the flow rate.
Watch temperature on trouble.
Copy that, almost clear.
Pressure's spiking on line 4. Hit the bypass now.
Engaging bypass. Levels stabilizing.
Check the thermal readings on sector 4.
Looks stable. Delta T is within tolerance.
Are the readings stable on the main diagnostic screen?
Yes, all parameters are green. Proceeding with the cleaning sequence.
Check the resonant frequency on channel 3.
Reading stable at 40 Hertz. Proceeding with calibration.
Easy now, easy. Watch the flange clearance.
Clear on this side, lowering now.
Meter reads clear on the primary flange.
Acknowledged. Log the data and proceed to the next checkpoint.
Ensure torque setting is precise on flange 4B.
Reading confirmed. Applying pressure now.
Control, station 3 reports green across the board.
Yes. The core temps are stable, but look at this anomaly on the secondary loop.
That matches the spiking heat signature right here.
The radiation reading...
This return here, confirm the signature immediately. It doesn't match the profile.
Aye, analyzing now, Captain.
I need a precise measurement on this upper weld.
Green laser active. Data coming through now.
Check against the blueprint schematics.
Level is stabilizing at the forward section.
Aft starboard reading still fluctuating. Increase flow by 5%.
Roger that. Increasing flow now.
Bring it up slow, hold the line steady.
Watch the stabilizers on your left.
That's good, rotate right, 20 degrees.
Sweep complete. Levels are stable.
Confirmed. Systems check green.
We need to ensure the alignment here is precise before the next phase.
Noted. I'll cross-reference with the latest specs.
What about the crane schedule for the hull section?
Reading stable at 0.04. Console clear.
Confirmed. All systems green. Ready for ascent check.
Helm, steady as she goes. Dive to 400 meters.
400 meters, aye, Captain.
Levels stable on auxiliary power.
Acknowledged. Pressure holding steady at 20 bar. Look at the velocity of that squall line. We have to warn the freighter.
Bridge. Signaling all nearby vessels to divert immediately.
Reading fluctuation on channel 3.
Acknowledged.
Initiating stabilization sequence now.
Levels stable at 0.04.
Acknowledged. Adjusting flow regulator.
Emergency maneuvering. Helm. Right full rudder. Dive to 150 meters.
Right full rudder, diving to 150.
Pressure equalization check complete.
Copy that. Maintaining current vector.
To the crew of the USS,
With the roar of this salute, we officially welcome the newest protector of the deep, the USS. God bless her and all who sail on her.
Reading stable across the array.
Confirmed. Logging parameters now.
Pay close attention to this section detailing the revised ballast system.
And the thermal regulations on the plasma coil, are those finalized yet?
sonar, analyze that contact bearing 090.
Aye, Captain. Analyzing.
Helm. Maintain course 090.
Acknowledge sonar contact bearing 320.
As you can see on this propulsion system,
This cutaway clearly illustrates the advancements in the nuclear propulsion system. As shown on the screen,
Readings on the green spectrum are stable.
Blue line confirms, all systems nominal.
As you can see on the main display, the hydrodynamic flow around the sail is significantly improved in this iteration.
Readings on the main coolant loop are stable.
Confirmed. Meter shows nominal background levels. Logging the data now.
Bridge to Defiant. Weapons away.
Confirmed impact on sonar, bearing 290.
All ahead full. Clear the zone. The starboard hydrophone array is showing an anomaly.
Cross-reference the bathymetry readings.
the stabilization metrics are exceeding expectations across the board. The deep dive test was completely flawless.
The sea trials show we are exceeding depth limits. What is the status of the auxiliary pumps?
Negative pressure in the forward array.
Contact bearing 090, designate as Sierra 2. He's accelerating.
Aye, tracking Sierra 2, bearing steady.
The embarkation pack schematic details the new hull structure and piping. We are clear for deployment along the primary path.
Helm, come right 15 degrees, steady on new course. Engineering, I want full power to the main engine.
Right 15 degrees, aye.
Main engine engaging, Captain.
Bring it down 20 feet. Easy now. All right, hold it there. It looks good.
Welcome to the heart of the shipyard. This is where we build the next generation of naval power, the finest submarines in the world.